Hi everybody, this is just the Hawk325 again, and last time I unboxed Pegasus, Cosmic Pegasus. Now, I'm doing Forbidden Ionis, Eternal Defense 145 Flat Ball. This is a balance type, although this is a remake. You got the Ionis face bolt there, a dark crimson maroonish type color of Ionis energy ring. Forbidden Wheel doesn't look that much like its Takatomi counterpart. The anime has an ashy type one like this one, and there's a flat ball. Flip on the back, you see the stats of Ionis. The stats, good thing Hasbro still has the stats for the Takara Tomi's one, except for the spin track. Well, it's a good balance. What are you going to do about it? Now let's unbox. Yeah, we'll unbox this thing. No need for stopping me there. This is Hasbro's first time having the triple roller and a flat ball in the United States. Although, yeah, no other Hasbro release type one will have a flat ball or triple roller. Once you got the box open, you'll see some stuff in here. Same energy ring color as this thing, although it's a little tad bit darker. Oh, who cares? Code card. Throw these away. Every time, every day, we'll do that to you if you unbox it. Okay, baseball. The Ionis energy ring. Forbidden. I love the Eternal Defense. Always been my favorite spin track. Here's the Eternal Defense right here. It's all ash gray, sort of like that color. And the mold to a flat ball, which America's first one ever made. There's the same tool, but almost looking Pegasus, but it doesn't look too much like it. Last one. The last feature of Ionis is this launcher, black, gunmetal black. So I'll put this launcher together, which is already been assembled, but I have to put it in here. That to the side. I have the tool right here. Analyze the parts. A bright red Ionis face bolt, imprinted a heifer cow. It feels like if you flip it over, there's something else. Although it doesn't look clear on the screen, but probably, yeah, analyze it on something. It may look resemblance just because it has those things in there. Some eyes and a nose and a mouth. Energy ring doesn't look that different. When that Takara Tomy one doesn't look different. This is the Forbidden Wheel. I like the Forbidden Wheel. It's always been my local favorite one so far. Out of balance, besides evil. Eternal Defense, really different from the Takara Tomy one. This is still ash black. Still good. It's balanced spin track. Flat ball. Mold 2, same color as the Takara Tomy one. Let's put these parts together. almost there. Perfect. I almost got it. Here's the Forbidden Ionis ED145FB. The Takatomi version. I made an upgrade to this thing. It isn't really an upgrade, but it's mostly a marker job. As you can see, this one has a bluish purple eternal defense, and it has stickers on it. Or the other one isn't stickered, or a different one. So these bays are untouched, except for the differences. Yeah. I'm not going to test battle them. Except I could use it on the Hasbro one, because it does perform the same way as Ionis this one does. And this was for my birthday. Let's go down here. Where's my birthday unit? Looking perfect. Well, there's nothing to compare, except I did the comparisons already. So there you have it. The Forbidden Ionis Eternal Defense 145FB review. Or I should say unboxing. See you guys later.